Introducing the Advin Health Care H. Pylori Rapid Kit, a reliable diagnostic solution designed for the rapid detection of Helicobacter pylori infection during endoscopic procedures. This easy-to-use kit provides accurate results within minutes, enabling clinicians to make immediate and informed treatment decisions. It is widely used in gastroenterology for the diagnosis of chronic gastritis, peptic ulcer disease, and other gastric disorders associated with H. pylori. The kit works on the principle of urease enzyme activity. When a gastric biopsy sample containing H. pylori is placed in the test medium, the urease produced by the bacteria breaks down urea, causing a visible color change in the indicator. This rapid reaction offers clear and dependable confirmation of infection. The test medium is carefully formulated for high sensitivity and specificity, minimizing false results and ensuring dependable diagnostic performance. The simple procedure requires minimal training and can be easily performed during routine endoscopy. Each Advin H. pylori Rapid Kit is supplied in sterile packaging and includes pre-prepared test media, ensuring consistent quality and safe handling. Its long shelf life and convenient storage make it ideal for hospitals, clinics, and endoscopy centers. By delivering fast and accurate detection, the Advin Health Care H. pylori Rapid Kit supports early diagnosis, timely treatment, and improved patient outcomes.